Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Poco M3 Pro, and let me show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here from the right, so let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see now, by tapping on them, I can easily take a picture. To change that function, let's go to right corner button, so we can get access to more options about camera we can manage. Now let's move to left and tap to settings to open them. And here we can find volume buttons function. When we pick it, we can decide between shutter, which is now shutter countdown, zoom and volume. So now let me pick for example zoom to show you how it works different. And let's move back to camera. Let me try to use volume keys once again. And as you can see now, I can easily get closer to my subject and also move back, so I can use zoom by tapping on volume buttons. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.